No state in the world has a more dedicated international and institutionalized infrastructure for propaganda and the promotion of influence around the world than the People's Republic of China has. Because we have an intrinsic advantage here that they don't have. And that is, I feel this very, very deeply. The truth is on our side. If we can mobilize it and broadcast it and penetrate it and counter the lying narratives against it around the world. You know, Edward R. Murrow, who was John F. Kennedy's, I think, founding director of the U.S. Information Agency, had a very good line. He said, "The truth is the best propaganda, and lies are the worst." Because lies eventually can be exposed, but we need to expose them.